Hi, this is Rebecca from Weft and Willow Fiber Art Studio in Chico, California. I am sharing here a video about a Barrell Dobby loom that I had in my studio here, and I am going to be sharing about it because it is going to go off to a new home. I am basically sharing about this loom because I'm trying to find the right person for it. Only 6 of these were ever made, and it comes with an incredible amount of options you can do. If you do not want to tie up, be on the floor and tying up all of your treadles, this is the perfect loom because it has a Barrell Dobby system that has an incredible amount of options that you can change right from your seat. Okay, and I'll just quickly do a little quick show. If I press on this middle step, it can go back and forth, left and right, or you can go back and forth this way, and it's going to go into empty holes with the shafts, or it's going to go into, maybe one shaft, or maybe it's going to go into, 3 and then up to 8, right? So it's an 8 shaft loom, and I want to find the right person for this. So please share this video with anyone that is a lover of weaving and looms and this type of engineering that comes along with weaving. All right, enjoy the journey here. Bye. My friends Ron and Gordon, they helped to get to this loom into the space, and we had to take it all apart. So it is something you can do to fit it into a regular door. And so they're wonderful. They're mechanical engineers, and so they love this sort of thing. So it has this foot pedal and this Barrell Dobby loom, and it's pretty fantastic. Did a project with Ron on this, and so it was fun to see the setup for it. And only 6 of these were ever made, so it's a really wonderful loom to have in your collection. And so here's Ron working on one of his projects. Ron, what are you working on?
I'm weaving on this true shed loom, and I'm weaving kind of a freestyle project that we did with cotton 8/4 warp and 8/4 weft in different colors. Probably going to be a placemat because of the dimensions, and it's the right width, and then the depth. I'm imagining these 2 blocks being repeated on the other side. So that's about, let's say, 2.5 inches, and that's 5 inches of depth, and then this will be about 2 inches, so 7 inches. I want about 8 inches, so I'll put a band in the center of something else, and that's going to be my placemat.
Nice. All right, we'll watch you doing a little work.
All right.
Okay.
I'm cutting this off. The work was pretty short for a first kind of proof of concept project. Exploration of designs and also testing this novel loom design. And I'm just going to cut this off. And next time we work with this loom, we'll do a longer warp.
this is the Leusler True Shed Loom, and it's an 8 shaft, and it has an incredible amount of options. So how this loom works is this foot pedal here you put down, and you have to put it all the way down because these are attached to the shafts above. And so what you do is you put these little pieces in, and then you go to the next one, and that lifts the specific shafts, and so you go to the next one, and so that kind of goes along in that way. You can also kind of use this to go back and forth, right? So with this cord, you can go back and forth easily, right? Or you let that drop, or you can go like, down, that foot pedal down. You can go this direction, so it basically is setting you up either way. And so you're able to do an incredible amount of patterns just with this one barrel. You don't have to be underneath a loom and tying things up. So this is pretty fantastic. Only 6 of these were ever made. The fabric on this could use a new guard here. It is just kind of haphazardly I sewed a patch on. So the fabric on this will need to be replaced. So if you enjoyed this video at all, please share with others. You can like it and subscribe and all that jazz. That helps me build this YouTube even more. It's been fun sharing with you my excitement for all these different types of weaving tools and processes and all that fun. So thank you. I'm glad you stopped by. I'll see you later. Bye.